So hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel again. Remember I told you that my goods has just arrived and I did a video where I showed you about the things we ordered for. And now I am going to unbox it so that you are going to see it. I'm sorry the video had to be like this because I just urgently have to do it. And I'm going to see the things I ordered and you are going to be cross-checking. Remember that in my last video I showed you the links and the products I ordered from Pindodo, and now everything I ordered here was from Pindodo. So without further ado, if you are not part of the community, please do make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the notification bell so that you get notified each time I post new content. So without further ado, please join the community and let's proceed. So I'm going to actually stop talking and then have to tear or unbox it. If you're new to importation and you want to actually start mini importation, please do make sure you check the description below where you are going to see a group where you can actually join and then be part of the community and start importing. And if you want a one-on-one coach, please do make sure you message me below down my WhatsApp number. Thank you. So, you can actually see here the first is this carton, and I guess this has to do with the sneakers we bought. This also had to do with sneakers. This is also a sneaker. Okay, these are also goods here, and you can see this 10-in-1 wrist watch. You can actually see it here. This is a big one. In Nigeria, it's being sold for 26,000, 25,000, 27,000. I'm going to 30,000 naira now. But on Pindodo, I bought this 8,000 naira. So you can actually start this business. So you can see how big the resource is. You can see it's about two pieces here. You can see. So just stop this video. So do make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. Thank you.